interesting package from Get Digital, your geek stuff supplier. I bought some Conductive Ink. What's this? Oh, that's very nice. That can go for my children. Circuit Scribe Lite kit. So you've got a couple of CR2032 batteries, LED module, and then this conductive pen. A non-toxic silver conductive ink. And resistance is 2 to 10 ohms per centimetre, so I presume if you make it thicker you get a less resistance from it. Here you've got diagrams of circuits which folds. Well, I presume I can have a crack at making one right now. What's on the back of their invoice? Cancellation instructions. Well, I'm not planning to cancel this, so let's give this a go. Blue and red module, so it's bi-directional. There are a couple of current limiting resistors right in there, and on the back it's showing the circuit there, along with the Open Hardware logo. ElectronInks. I rather like that. Slightly simplified circuit diagram, because it may be that actually these current limiting resistors are going one each way. I've got these little balls here, so those must be the magnetic balls, so maybe they're neodymium. I can never say that right, I'm sure I said that wrong. Neodymium magnets. It's not quite flowing that way. Oh, there we go, we got it now. Corner of the paper. Going to a blob here. Going to, and now I need to make the blobs about the right place. Make a blob there. I've got a break in my pen lines here. Let's make these contact points bigger. Now this is quite scratchy stuff. Okay, let's try that again. Well, it's not doing it, is it? So I'll first start with continuity, and there's no conductivity here. Yes. There's a bit of a build up on the nib of the pen, not like using a nice roller ball. I think if you didn't have the multimeter, you'd kind of reach a point where it just appears to not be working. Well, the problem is this is actually getting shreds of paper in it. We'll quite easily introduce a break in that track. If you stick a bit of paper under the paper, the ink flows far better than if you're trying to do it on the desk. Hey, look at that! We got it! It'll definitely be fun for the kids to play with, and it'll probably work quite nicely in a writing drawing pad. If you had any ideas about being able to attach this pen to a plotter and get it to plot this, I'm not quite sure it's there yet for that. Because you had to go over some of those marks a couple of times to make sure they made good contact. And having the multimeter for that was invaluable. Definitely going to show it to Helena and get her to draw little bits in her book and do things. And even without this, we can maybe get some of those circuit stickers and use those as well. I had a few ideas on how I might use this with a muscle wire robot project, where then I can kind of create little flexible paper connections, so I could just map them straight out, which would be kind of nice, but I'm not that convinced that it's going to work for that, so I'll just probably stick with straight wiring. Definitely going to be fun for the kids though, so recommended for that. Okay, thank you very much.